Hi everyone. Today we will continue our series configuration guide in SAP S4HANA. So today we'll do one small configuration that is about the controlling integration. Okay, integration of the controlling. So let's go to follow this path: financial accounting global settings, then ledgers. Okay, here you can see integration of controlling with financial accounting. Okay, before we proceed this, I just want to give you an update that once I complete 100 subscriber, I'm going to arrange a webinar, Q&A webinar. So wherein like I will have a Zoom meeting. Okay, I'll schedule a Zoom meeting and I'll share the link here in YouTube. So anybody who has any questions, any doubts, anything related to SAP FICO, they can join that meeting and they can ask their questions, anything about their career scope in SAP and about the course if they want to enroll in the paid course. Okay, so once I complete the 100 subscriber, I'm going to schedule this meeting and we will have a good time. Okay, we'll answer all your queries. All right, so let's continue. So here we have a couple of steps which we need to complete. These are the mandatory steps we need to do. So the first one is define document types for posting in controlling. So we need to define a document type. So in SAP S4HANA, controlling is basically kind of merged with finance. Okay, it is like now one module. In ECC we used to have different tables for controlling related informations, master data and document postings, but in SAP S4HANA we have single table called AC Doka, wherein we store the CO information, also controlling related document also we store in the single table. So that's why we need to define a document type. Okay, so anything you post in the CO, that should flow to finance as well. So basically SAP by default delivers a document type. If you want, you can create your own, but this is the document type CO. Secondary costs. Secondary cost is something which you post within CO, okay, which is not part of your finance. If you post something in finance and then it goes to CO, mean to say the origin is in finance and then it flows to CO, then that is called the primary cost. That is not a secondary cost. Secondary cost means something you are posting directly in CO, okay, which doesn't have any impact on the financial accounting. So earlier in ECC we were not having any connection from CO to finance. There was no integration from CO to finance. It was from finance to CO but not from CO to finance in ECC. But now in S4HANA, both the way we have data flow from CO to finance and finance to CO. Okay, so that's why this is the document type we have already SAP has delivered, wherein just check that you should allow these two indicators, GL account and secondary costs. Okay, so basically we don't have to do anything here in this activity. Now let us go to the next one, which is define document type mapping variant for the CO business transactions. In controlling we have different kind of business transactions. Okay, some 4-digit code is there for different kind of postings. So for each of those business transactions we need to map a variant. Okay, so first of all we need to define a variant. This is the variant delivered by SAP. If you want, you can create your own, otherwise this is more than enough. So just select this variant and then here we are going to assign the business transactions. Map CO business transactions to document type. Okay, so you can see these are so many business transactions, okay, for different kind of activities. In a CO we have different transactions, so here we need to map the document type which is already created is CO. Okay, for cross company code transactions and normal transactions also we are going to use the same document type. So here also it is done automatically, we don't have to do basically anything. But if there is something you want to do custom variant, so in that case you have to do this activity manually. Now the next activity is to check and define default values for posting in controlling. Okay, so click on this execution button, and here we can copy any existing one, say for example this one, anything, and then we will just give our company code name B001 starting from, it's okay, this date is more than enough, and this variant, press enter and save it. Okay, this is done. Now next is define ledger for CO version. So here also we need to specify our controlling area, it is not there, so let us just do copy paste. VOLV is the controlling area Volvo. Okay, so this is the basic settings we have to do, and save the change in the transport request. That's all. This intercompany setting is another part, another chapter we will see in the future videos. That's all for now. Please do like, share and subscribe. Please help the channel to grow, and I will be bringing many more tutorials, videos, learning topics for you, so that would be helpful for you. And please let me know your suggestions if you have any. Thank you so much. Bye.